Can Kadena surpass $200 in the upcoming bull cycle? Today, we tackle this question as we look at the greater crypto market and the ongoing developments happening within the Kadena ecosystem. Welcome, everyone. This is KDA Capy, your guide to the latest and most exciting developments in the world of Kadena. Before we jump into today's video, remember, I'm here to educate and inform you about all things Kadena. Please note that this is not financial advice. It's a deep dive into the world of Kadena, designed to educate and inform. It's essential to understand that currently the trajectory of all cryptocurrencies, including Kadena, is influenced by Bitcoin. However, the game changer will be a blockchain that brings a substantial real-world use case to the table. Although blockchain technology and smart contracts have yet to become universally used for real-world assets, the potential is enormous. Kadena is at the forefront of this transformation with its latest Marmalade update, which offers gas-free transactions for NFTs, secure smart contract language, packed, and a truly decentralized proof-of-work blockchain. This is a big step towards managing vital records like medical, education, and property documentation on the blockchain, securely stored in your wallet. For more insights, please refer to my detailed video on this topic. Revolutionizing NFTs with Kadena, Unveiling Marmalade V2. You'll find the link in the video description. Discussing Bitcoin's market dynamics, we've seen a surge in attention due to the upcoming Bitcoin ETF, which has affected its price. However, it's crucial to understand that this price hike is more about current crypto enthusiasts positioning themselves for the anticipated bull run and seeking profitable opportunities. Currently, only about 4% of the world is invested in crypto. But the bull market's real driving force will be new to crypto retail investors, propelled by FOMO, potentially pushing the market cap to unprecedented levels. With major financial players like BlackRock and ARK Investments entering the fray with Bitcoin ETFs, we could see the cryptocurrency market cap skyrocketing to $15 trillion. The upcoming Bitcoin halving in mid-April 2024 is a significant event to watch. Based on previous cycles, we can anticipate the first peak of the bull run to occur roughly 11 months after the halving, around March 2025. This will likely be followed by a period of correction and consolidation before embarking on the second leg of the bull run, usually hitting its peak about 18 months post-halving, somewhere close to October 2025. In line with the Bitcoin halving theory, altcoins, including Kadena, are expected to follow Bitcoin's lead. The question on many minds is whether Kadena can surge to $200 or beyond. While the crypto market is unpredictable, Kadena's technological strengths make this a possibility. There are three key reasons to believe in Kadena's potential growth in this bull cycle. First, Kadena's technological foundation has always been solid. But now, with increased resources for developer support and the initiation of packed smart contract academies, Kadena's ecosystem is stronger than ever. Second, the appointment of Mike Heron as Chief Marketing Officer has energized Kadena's community outreach and led to a revamped marketing strategy, which includes a new logo, website redesign, and upcoming SEC compliance influencer engagements. Finally, considering the possibility of the crypto market cap hitting $15 trillion, a five-fold increase from the last bull market peak, Kadena is in a prime position to make significant gains in the next 12 to 18 months. As we wrap up, I encourage you all to keep a close watch on Kadena. Its technological advancements, combined with strategic marketing and overall market trends, suggest exciting times ahead. As always, remember that this is not financial advice, but an exploration of Kadena's potential in the evolving crypto landscape. Before we conclude, I have a small request of you. If you found this video informative and helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel, giving it a like, and sharing it with your friends and fellow crypto enthusiasts. Your engagement is crucial. It signals to YouTube that this content is relevant and valuable, helping to spread the word to others who might benefit from these insights on Kadena and the broader crypto world. Thank you for tuning in today. I'm excited to continue this journey with you and look forward to seeing you in the next Kadena video update, where we'll explore more fascinating aspects of the Kadena ecosystem. Until then, keep exploring, keep learning, and stay engaged with the ever-evolving world of the Kadena blockchain.